What's good, YouTube? This is Foster with Tech a Day, and we have some cases that we have had for a while, and we have been waiting for the Fold 8 Ultra, but unfortunately, due to delays after delay, we cannot wait any longer. We're going to have to do this case review without the phone, so I apologize to the people over at Torras, but we're going to have to do the review without the phone. But these cases are so amazing, it doesn't matter. You guys want to see the case, and that's all that matters. So we have the cases for you to see. We're going to have the links in the description. They sent these amazing cases over. So we're going to take a look at the cases today. Get that out of here. Let's see what we got. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. All right. I think we got two colors, and these are both for the Fold. All right, so it looks like we have the purple color here, and this looks to be, all right, okay, this is nice. The black color, and this is full body protection, front and back. You know what I'm saying? So you're going to get all around. So we got front and back, side to side. And for all my hinge cover protection lovers, look at that. We have hinge protection. Oh my goodness. Now, that is a big thing for a lot of you, but it doesn't stop there. No. Torras said, not only do you need that, not one, but two tempered glass screen protectors are included in the case. Case-friendly screen protectors are included in the case, so that when you go and you put that on there, and that is included, you've got the quick guide also included in there. You've got the included install pack, wet wipes, the microfiber cloth to clean it off, the stickers to make sure you don't get anything on there. And these obviously, and these aren't even the really flimsy ones that you usually get. I mean, this is actually pretty sturdy. You know how flimsy these things are usually. This is actually a pretty sturdy one on the front. The black, the purple one, a TPU on there. Where are we? Where is it? Let me see. Hold on one sec. All right, now, not only is the case, you've got the MagSafe on here, which is good. Boom. As you see, MagSafe works perfectly in this configuration, or you can put it in sideways. MagSafe puck can go on there. Boom. Sits on there perfectly. Now, if you've got a charging stand like so, you can, boom, like that with your Fold 8 Ultra, and it sits on there. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going on there nowhere. Your Fold 8 Ultra ain't going nowhere. And as you see, fits on there either case. So it's this case works perfectly with any MagSafe device. Fits on there perfectly. And this is a heavy duty 10,000 milliamp hour charging. This brick is heavy, and it's hanging. It ain't going nowhere. So yes, these Torras cases are MagSafe approved. Like I said, regular puck, It's on there. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. So yeah, head on over there. The Amazon link is in the description. These come in a couple different colors. You can pick one that you like. These cases are super nice, super durable. Yeah, these are great cases. Torras is a great brand. Um, like I said, you get everything here in the box. This is a full protection. This isn't flimsy. You got shock proof. I mean, these are, if you're dropping, this is going to protect. You've got hinge protection. You got some drop protection in there, screen protection. You just got all around protection here. These are the cases that are going to give you protection, a little bit of style, but not a whole lot of bulk, and they're not going to break your pocket. Okay? So yeah, head over, hit the link, tell Torras that Tech A Day sent you, and it's been me, Foster, and we'll talk to you later. Peace.